piano. And I'm just going to start with a grand piano. Now, you can use grand pianos from whatever DAW you're in. You might have a different synth that has them in. If you're actually Ableton user, if you come over to here, you just use this one here. So it's just a... Now, it sounds very dry. It's not really very trancey sounding, so I'm going to add in Supermassive. It's a free plugin from Valhalla. It's like a delay and reverb plugin, but there's some nice presets in here. Let's go to reverbs. We want a big, large one. Which one is it that's nice? Splashy synth, that's the one. So a lot trancier. Let's turn up the brightness. I want to turn up the release on this a bit, just so it rings out a bit. If I do this, let me just turn this reverb down because you can't really tell the difference because there's a big long tail coming off it, but very like a short beat versus it rings out a bit there, so that sounds nice. Again, not perfecting this right now. Let's turn it up so a bit more aggressive. It's got a nice reverb. Right, okay, so let's bring the feedback down a bit. Right, that's okay to work with for now, right? So it's a little bit more delay. It's a little bit dry, so I'm going to add in an echo. You could just add in any delay you want. It's just to give it some more sort of notes playing in between. I think eighth notes might be a bit too quick. Let's try quarter notes. Let's try just muting a few just to... Let's get rid of that last one again just to see.